Stay second.
Don't die, boys.
Don't die. Please don't die without me. Okay? You need to see my face before you die. That's number one rule, okay? Number one rule. You need to see my face before you die.
Ichi.
Asa na sila?
Dito na, southwest side. Ikaw na lang
Dito na.
hinihintay.
Bonking second gate na.
18 DA.
Sige lang. It's very small. 18 DA is very small.
We have
Only 18
90.
DA? Oh no, they need more, man. What the fuck?
What you mean? We 18 people.
No.
We're
We are 9 DA, bro.
Careful, shaper.
Paper, put up an OC, my man. Put up an OC.
Sir
Hindi
active.
maglag.
Let's go.
Spread lang. Bam, you do your job. You need to spread. Bam, do your job, okay? Okay, Specto, get ready. West now, shallow. West, over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now, my man. Almost. Ooh, good, Bam. Good, Jazz. For the first time. Very good.
For the first time.
That's Bam, the chipper. Oh my God, reactive. You eat that.
Oh, look
Moving
lahat.
moving north.
Outside, ah.
They're
Don't
moving.
Okay.
cleric for fuck's sake, I swapped it to assassinhood. My god, I'm an idiot.
Okay, everyone know northwest. Okay? Everyone northwest. Ready? In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. On me now, crown. Just trap on the crown. Then spread. Exalted me, boys. Exalted me.
Cooks.
Cooks. I need OC. I forgot to
CD.
Ayun
My
lang.
bad.
Okay, chill. Don't stay in the choke. Please never stay in the choke, my DPS. Don't stay, my healer. Don't stay. He comes out. Just goes out, okay? We don't have engage. Don't stay. Ready to shallow north now. Okay, shallow north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. No, north. Exalted that stop.
We love
Good
it.
fucking job. Yummy. Goes out.
Thank you. I get it now. Holy
I need
shit.
OC.
Yes, you see? Hillion Hood. Done. Gone, you know? Hillion Hood gone. Don't pick my boys.
Assaulted 21 seconds.
Average, be careful, average. They're looking front.
Okay, my DPS ready? Northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, they get TA. Go back.
Ay, permput. Rasal, take over.
Go back. Shaper.
Careful.
Counter shaper, okay? May bomb. North now. My bomb ready. We counter the bomb.
Yeah, ready.
We counter bomb, okay? We counter the bomb. Northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My bomb now. Exalted. Then go back.
I got silent.
Go back now. Average sword guy.
Okay, my bad.
Stay at the back. Okay, let them bonk. We will wipe them inside here. We fucking wipe them. Are they clap brawl or what comp they're using?
Mukhang clap, bro.
Never pick. Don't pick comes out. Don't pick.
Shaper.
Oh my God, again! Solo team man!
Sorry, not safe.
Sorry, bro. Okay, north now. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean now, crown.
Sorry, not Pep.
Sorry, bro. Go back south. Okay, chill. Let them bonk. Shaper. Kadaichi.
Fuck, I wasted my exalted. No exalted.
Okay, go south. Can you go south? Let them bonk, guys. I want to play them on the mage. I want to play on the mage. Go south. Let them bonk. Let them give space. Give area while waiting for alliance. Okay?
WB couldn't hide out.
Comes out. All my DPS. Give space for now. Okay, only Jazz and Specto on me. Northeast. Only Jazz and Specto. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only just inspect to.
Oh, ang
Shaper.
tupa.
Okay,
Oh,
Shaper,
Shaper.
they counter with Shaper. Nigamatic, okay, comes out. Nice. Go southeast, my boys. Go southeast, my boys. Stay hidden, my boys. Stay
Broken
hidden.
northwest gate ah.
Sige lang.
So, pag binroll natin sila, wala silang lalabasan? Pwede silang lumabas?
Oo. Close the gate, close the gate. Shaper. Please, don't pick. The Shaper keep killing you because you keep picking. Let them go inside. Guys, we will wipe them. Trust me, we can wipe them. Come to me southeast now. Follow me southeast. Follow me southeast now. Follow me, boys. Follow me. Click first floor. Then go north. North now. Walk north. Click first floor. Go north. Everyone on north now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Okay. Then, Ditang hold them now. Go south. Spread now, boys. Giga. Spread lang. Shaper. Def. Heal me.
Silcook.
You guys don't have clerical there? Everyone now, look on the crown. On the crown, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown only. Kill is 2. Okay, second floor na lang, men. May hindi nakakapalo. Some of you guys didn't follow my, I lose Jerry, Battle Bracer, and Kalaichi. Go south for now. Shaper. Come to me, second floor for now, Come to me, west side. Let them bonk. Chill. Hold for now. Don't pick, please. No one will pick. Trust me. No one will pick. Stay south. No one will pick, okay? I have 2 beams, right? 2 beam. Trust me, don't pick. Let them come inside. We will wipe them here inside. I just want you to spread, okay?
20% na lang
You-
wala.
Sige lang, let them. Spread for now. They're inside already or no?
Okay na.
Hindi pa.
Oh, sige lang. Let them come. Spread. Can you go south? My healer never stay in the middle.
Looking.
I told you.
Broken yung isang gate dito ah. 2 gate
Sige lang,
broken.
hold lang. Spread lang. Hug the wall, my DPS. Hug the wall south, my DPS. Hug the wall. Spread west. Come to me west side. Come to me northwest. Northwest side. Play northwest, okay? Play northwest. My DPS, don't stop them. Let them engage to the mage. After they engage, we counter them, okay? Unexalted. After they engage, cleanse the Hylian Hood, okay? Let them engage to the mage first. Wait, the Shaper. Wala pa. That's fake. Wait, spread lang.
Nag-engage
Okay,
sila.
walk in east. CC them now. Walk in east. Exalted. On me east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me east now. Exalted. Where's Exalted?
I already use it.
North side on me. You drop on me. So that I will not get guns. Okay. Go back southwest. Deep southwest. Spread. My tanks hug the wall for now.
Looking sila.
They will engage. Okay, DPS now. Look east. Cleanse now. East 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me crown. Just drop on the crown. Then spread again. Keep spreading. Don't stay in the middle, please. No one stay in the middle. I am in the east side now. Okay? I am south. Stay south, my DPS. Stay south. They engage. Everyone now CC them. Northeast now. Cleanse now. Northeast in 5, In 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop on the crown. Just drop on the fucking crown.
Okay, we
Ayun.
can... Wow.
Go back, go back, go back, go back. 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 Go back, go back, go back.
Careful,
Heal me,
Cooks.
let's win, boys.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
oh.
Hold.
Cooks died, Cooks died.
Yo, mark me nga. Yo, mark me. Mark
I'm
me.
healer.
Hold. Yo, mark me as the shield nga. Hold. We're just gonna counter engage everything, okay? Just don't go to the mage, okay? Kill the mage nga. Okay, it's still good, okay? So spread, let them engage, we will counter, okay? Hold. Just hold. Careful in front, boys. Oh my god, just hold. Shaper.
Shaper.
Come on.
no,
Oh my god,
Abi.
guys. Hold. Just hold. Tanks be ready to hold in. Come east, boys. Come east. Ready on me. In 5, 4, 3, 2. On the shield. Just it. Oh my god, come back. Brawl inside of you. Brawl inside of you. We have mage. You good.
Nice one.
Just brawl inside of you. You good. Spread again. Hold. You still have DPS? PT1? Careful.
He's dying on Shaper.
Don't go north side, come southeast side. Ready, north side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Find the shield. Oh my god, I'm lagging.
Roll inside.
Yeah, come again, Junior. You go again.
Hold.
Looking.
Spread. Don't go north side.
It's a fake.
Spread here. Spread south. Yo, they're looking on us, okay? Oh my god. Ang lag. Yo, hold.
Goodbye.
Careful. Yo, we're gonna counter again. Come southeast side, boys. Come southeast side. Yo, be ready your defensives, okay? Be ready, Giga. Put your hand on your Giga, okay? Hold. Spread here. Yo, spread east side, okay? Spread east side. Hold. Be careful, west. Spread. We have mage. Careful. Just careful, boys. Careful. Spread. That's nothing. There's only Shaper. Come on, spread. Get out of east now, go north. Get out of east, go north. Get out of east, get out of southeast, go north. Go north side. Okay? Yeah.
Southeast side, be careful.
Come east side. Hold. Did they engage? Hold. Come back. They're looking. Ready, south side. South, find me. Come on, find me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, engage me. Oh my god, come back. Oh my god, nice try. Come back. They don't have engage. Come back. Yo, healers, drop mana. Okay, there you go. You spread again.
Engage.
Shaper. Oh my gosh, boys. Hold. Get out of east. There may